Welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Barun, and in today's video, we will take a quick look at our API functionality to list all master pages. Then we will take a look at one of the use cases of doing so, that is to create a one-time booking link. Now, to begin, let's head over to the account integration page and grab our API key. With the key in hand, the next stop is the Developer Center, our API reference page. Here, under the master page functionalities is list all master pages. Now, for a more comprehensive view, I'm accessing our API client. And the first thing that we will do is validate our API key. With the key validation done, let's head over to master pages and list all master page. Now, the only thing that is required to run this functionality is the API key, which is in place, so send. Now, here I am presented with the list of all the master pages in the account. The payload contains the master page ID, then it has the name, the internal label, the URL, and also shows the status if it is active or inactive. So this is where you get the list of all the master pages. Now, to take a look at our use case, which is create a one-time booking link. We will grab the master page ID. For example, for this demo, I have grabbed the master page ID for the financial planning meeting and head over to the create a one-time booking link function. Now, in some scenarios, it becomes very important to create a one-time booking link. Suppose you want to avoid any unwanted meetings and want to offer a link which is valid for only one-time use. This is where you can create a one-time link. So with the master page ID in hand, place it into the required field with the API key in place. Let's click on send. And here you are presented with a one-time link for your relevant master page. This contains the link ID and the creation time. And here is our link. So this link can be shared with your clients and is valid for one-time scheduling only. So thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.